magandang umaga. Ngayon, today is a Thanksgiving Day here in America, in United States, all United States. So it's our Thanksgiving. It's a big holiday of the year, aside from Christmas. So as you can see, there's not a lot of people in the road. Everybody's home. Everybody's preparing for dinner tonight. While me, I'm still working because I work in a hospital and it's a 24 hours kind of job. But today I was scheduled to be there to work all day. Unfortunately, but that's okay. It's double pay, holiday pay time off plus 1 day extra paid time off. So, bakit ba hindi? Pero yan. Me and my husband were not cooking anything because my husband is working too. He works in a nursing home, so we both work in a healthcare. So we have healthcare jobs. So we're always like, there's no holiday for us. So work, work, work lang talaga. Wala talagang katao-tao ngayon. Kasi holiday, Thanksgiving Day. Ako lang ang tao sa kalsada. Alam niyo guys, when you work in healthcare, ano kasi yan in demand. Yung walang holiday sa amin. Kasi pag nakaschedule ka, talagang papasukan mo yan kasi kailangan ka rin ng mga pasyente sa ospital. Diba? So ako may pasok ngayon. Pasok-pasok. As in, wala talagang katao-tao. Thanksgiving Day here in America on November 25th. Kasi November 25th, nawala ako sa petsa. Ano ba ngayon? Basta alam ko Thanksgiving today. Wala talagang ka-traffic guys. Dating busy tong itong kalsada na to. Ngayon ako lang mag-isa. Ano ba yan? Ako na lang ba mag-isa? Sige, ako na lang mag-isa. Palagi na lang ako nag-iisa. Kailan pa kaya ako? My partner. Hindi, joke. May partner na ako. May asawa na ako. Wala talaga katao-tao. Traffic to palagi dito guys. Pag normal days. Ngayon, holiday. Walang tao dito. Papasok ako sa ospital. Nagtatrabahoan ko. Food service ako doon guys sa ospital. Hindi ako clinical, wala akong mga clinical background. Food service lang po. Pero at least may trabaho, di ba? Huwag nyo nilalang yung mga trabaho nyo kahit anong trabaho nyo. Trabaho pa rin yan. So, be glad nga meron kayong trabaho. Be glad that you have a job. You have a job to go to work. Yan, walang katao-tao talaga. Merong target dito. Target sa sa right side ko. Target yan. Dating busy to. Intersection na to. Three-way intersection. Tapos ngayon, walang tao. Pero merong nagsha-shopping mamaya. Baka Black Friday. Magba-Black Friday shopping sila. Yung iba midnight pa nagsha-shopping. Hindi ko lang alam ngayon kasi it's virus. Merong virus. I'm not sure if dudumugin pa ba yung Black Friday nila. Bawal yata magkumpulan sa store. I'm not sure what's gonna happen in the Black Friday, Because usually Black Friday in the US is crazy. Oh my gosh, it's like the start of shopping. The start of the shopping until Christmas. So ganyan sila guys, ganyan sila ka crazy. May mga pera kasi yung mga tao dito. Ewan ko sa Pinas din, maraming pera din mga tao doon kasi bonus, di ba? Bonus. So, Dito guys, ito yung daan na papunta sa ospital kung saan ako nag-work. Pero bawal akong magbibideo doon sa ospital ha, kasi ano yan, HEPA violation. Papakita mo yung mga taong nasa ospital, hindi pwede yun, baka matanggal tayo, tanggalin ka talaga pag nahuli ka. Kasi this is the hospital premises and you're not allowed to take videos. That's their private property and we're not allowed to. Okay guys, dyan ha, dyan ako papasok sa employees interest, pero I'm not allowed to take a video, so I'm gonna end this video. Bye bye, happy Thanksgiving.